I'll be directing this op. The Drifter's on the ground running his con, so don't startle if you hear Bale on the line. He can't hear us.
Wait, what do you mean con? Cozying up to Bale so he won't notice the Guardian shutting off the shield generator. That's his con! Oh, I'm so mad!
Yun na yun?
God.
Ngayon bigla na lang magkaibigan na ulit.
Welcome aboard.
Labo mo
Rouse
ng
got her legionaries all
writing
dressed
to.
up for the show.
Oh,
Bigla na
lazy
lang
development,
Oh,
writing.
Lazy.
Sige.
Wala pa si Payata.
Naku,
Ano
kahit
ayan
lalanding na.
Ayan na.
Naku. Kasi alis na naman.
Of course we are.
I've been having doubts about sex.
You know, the last emissary walked out on the 9. Took some doing, but she got there in the end.
I'm not an emissary, Val. I'm nothing to the 9 but a broken weapon.
Iyakin ka pala eh.
Teka nga. Oh. Anong nangyari? Board shuttle pero sarado na yung...
Oo nga, ano ito?
Aalis na siya, hindi tayo sasama.
Hindi ako makapasok.
Hindi rin
Kailangan mo
makapasok.
mag-board shuttle, Pao.
Nagbo-board shuttle ako pero, ayan.
Nako, niloload
Teka,
pa.
Kailangan
Binibilang na yung
tatlo tayo.
pasahero.
Oo, kailangan tatlo tayo mag-board shuttle.
Nako, ang kanyang 30 FPS na cutscene.
Perfect.
Pinalanding lang yung spaceship.
Oo nga. Hindi na kayang i-render yung mga Guardian.
Ay, para daw mukhang Star Wars.
Let's stealth out the window. Go on, Guardian. Ambush them back.
Ito, ambush talaga.
Oh, ito.
Ako, dali. Ulun, takita mo,
Ay,
yes!
may lalapag. Sabi ko lang.
Laka.
Takita mong Scorpius ka, dali. Ulul. Ako ang panalo.
They passed the test. Now we wait for them to get here.
Hey, just enough time for a chat between friends.
Exactly what I was going to say to you. A few details to settle, and your fate is achieved.
Oo? Biglang kaibigan na lang to.
Perhaps we don't need sex to retake the city. We can
Saan
do
ba?
it. Just the two of us.
Just the two of us.
Hindi din.
Baka sa labas.
Paano,
Oo.
paano lalabas?
Ayun, no? May diamond dito.
Sa ilalim?
Disable the tower's emitters.
Sa ilalim?
Nako, na epic dan ka.
Oo nga eh.
Hindi
Sarado.
kabila yata. Idol din na naglalaro.
Nakakawala na rin daw kasi.
Hindi ko na siya nakikita sa Twitch.
Mag-subscribe ka daw kasi.
Ako subscribe na nga ako.
Nakaka-subscribe talaga.
Para lang makita ko ang kanyang mga epic reactions.
Epic Dan nga daw kasi siya.
Mawagaw ka ng content si Kuya ng...
Saan yung? Ito ba?
puno. Hindi ba to yung parang Ewoks na area?
Ah, tama. Oo nga. Kaya pala 3. Oh, parang 3 top
Kaya
village.
puro puno.
Ayun. Kailangan patayin tong mga guys na to. Puta, talo naman ng talon tong nerd na to.
Meron pa din.
Ito?
Yan. Pwede nang i-disable yan.
Disable?
Barilin.
Ah, babarilin.
Oh.
Kasi naluwili mag-espada.
Hoy, ba't nandiyan ka?
Pabaril, sir.
Ako din. May mission din ako.
Ayan, may bounty pa ako.
The Vanguard destroyed.
Bounty.
Uy, may lalapag. Ay, hindi. Nuclear. Ano?
Free
Okay.
the people of the city from an immortal dictatorship. We choose who leads us, no one else.
Dito sa loob.
Six is near. I'm sick of this agony. What more do you want from me?
You can resist him, Bale. If you want freedom, you can take it.
One stubborn mess of a ghost. Damn it, this is what I get. Icing out my guardian.
Guardian.
Why dwell on it? Because he's only that honest when he's pulling the wool over someone's eyes. Why don't I talk to him? Oh, you had your reasons. You're not the only one who gets fed up with him. Pumuntik ako. Ano yung isa pa?
Uy.
Stop the sign. May dito daw?
Andyan?
Baka may isa pa. Oo.
Hindi, may isa pa nga kasi 2 out of 3. Ayun.
Precious and chosen weapon. Look what you have made. See down the valley of time how you shifted fate
Ano na naman
itself.
yung kadramahan
With hope's
nito?
allegiance, you alone have guaranteed liberation. I get it. The city will be free of the light.
Hindi alam ni Six na nangkukod lang si Drifter. Ganun kabobo.
Yes,
Ang ganda to.
weapon.
Apparently. Ah, ito. Meron
Your
ditong
curiosity.
rally ba ano?
I see your perseverance. I feel pride. You're
Okay.
proud. Thank you. Thank you.
Grabe naman mga daddy issues nitong...
Hindi ko maintindihan.
Oh,
Uy, may...
Hope. We do this now.
Gray ko, sakit.
We will retake our home and tie to our benefactor in gratitude. Every light will be smothered and every ghost obliterated. Finally, we are needed.
Ako sila daw siya.
oh, finally we are dead. Ooh, ano to na to? Ako, Renegade card.
Ano pala dito? Oh, okay lang. Oh, may banner ulit.
I know my purpose now.
Banner?
Show me I'm not alone in this dredge and hope. No matter what happens.
Wala na.
Hindi ko
I-reveal
Anything
na.
you
You want? Tell Six I got my head around the vision he gave me. I know what path I'm gonna take.
I knew you would.
Okay.
Go eh. Barrier code.
Sobrang enjoy pero wala pang catalyst.
Nako.
Ay, diba? Ay, hindi. Defend ghost to, no? Siguro.
Barrier protocols overridden. Oo. Oh, yun.
Uy,
Kung ba madali ito, puro kulugo na.
Oh, panay ang pang CCDR King.
pa-interrupt sir.
Iwali ng...
Pakulugo.
Oo.
Teka. May parating na naman dun sa taas na ano.
Ay, okay.
Meron doon sa taas.
Eh, teka, meron na naman.
Nadaganan ako dito. Naku, light fading, boys.
Teka,
Nandito, nadaganan.
May nangi-interrupt.
Okay.
Hey guys, Shank Buddy is tops at getting past Imtech, but we gotta set
Stable
him
power
up.
unit.
My scans show power running from the generator underground. Let's see if we can disrupt it. Any blip in power should make the generator vulnerable, and Nightfall's defenses with it.
Ay, babato ko ba to? Okay.
parang inulit lang niya.
Hey, that did it. Okay. You are up, buddy. Not you, Ace. The Shank.
Naku,
Si R2D siya.
Mother with that mouth.
Oh. Asa na siya?
Sana. Or
Magpapele na lang
hindi
yata
dito.
siya.
Doon.
At parang may pinag-hack the power conduit. Okay.
Oy, siya na yung
Pwede.
nagkakot eh. R2D.
Then with greater alarm. Oh, nangyari. Sunog siya.
Ano nangyari? Na-overheat?
Answer call.
Call.
Getting a call from my favorite line cook.
Bagal na naman maglakad.
That you, hero? Blue? If you're trying to use the splicer shank to get in, afraid Bale's a step ahead of you. Listen, I need your help. Come to the command center, put your guns down, and I'll let you in.
I spent so long not talking. I forgot. Better off when I'm talking to you. I want to help you close the deal.
I can't involve you. You need to be 1,000,000 miles from here. The Vision wants you dead.
Playing possum buys you a clean distraction.
Bale and Six want to see you taken apart.
Then that's what we give him. Bale's still just a guardian. That means he's a mark. You remember the first warlord we hunted in the Dark Age? The prick who irradiated Darrigan Valley.
Itong drama na to.
Well, yeah. His ghost was hiding. We smoked the ghost out, and
And we run the same plan on Bale. I'll be okay. I trust you.
thanks, Blue.
Elementary writing na.
Bakit sila mabait na ulit?
Ayun, na-realize niya na, mahal ko pala guardian ko.
Think something nice next time you see Rao. Her crew's disguises are perfect. Shut off the generator.
Ito pala yun,
Nightfall
totality
Station
pala sila.
shields come tumbling down. Go on.
Uy,
Drifter
silang
knows what
dalawa.
he's doing. I think.
Totoo. Tuloy pa pala ako.
Are you done, Hope? All stands ready for the weapon.
Sino si Hope?
Si Dredgen Hope, si
Weapons on their
Drifter.
way.
Drifter.
We're all in this together now.
Six, I am yours.
Eh, ba't kanina nagre-reklamo si Ann?
Crown or bend it in grief. You are called to your service eternal.
Understood.
Ay,
Naku,
sinabihan,
Naruto.
sabi kasi kanina na proud daw si Six.
Ay, Bael.
Oo. Pinirog lang niya yung tangang ulo ng... Ay, binuksan ko na.
Sige lang.
Sige.
529.
Nako. Oh, si Drifter to.
He's done well.
Yung pantalon pa lang eh.
Oo nga ang pangit na animation.
Oo.
Imperial
Yung
is
mata
yours.
ni Drifter.
Cool
nga
it,
eh.
kid.
At least
You'll
gumagalaw
get
ng
everything
konti.
that's coming to him.
Pero,
Pero,
I need you, Blue.
You always do. You sold us out, you wretch. Why now?
Tigayin mo dali.
Survival. Only one play left.
I've saved your sorry ass so many times. This is how it ends.
I got no choice.
Ang pinigaw
Please
mo.
don't do this. I can still help you.
You already have.
I chose you. And this is how you repay me?
Never trust a Dredgen.
sobrang lakas nung palpitan.
Naputol.
oo nga eh.
Naputol yung kamay ni Kuya.
Hindi, Torn. Eh, Malfisans ba yan? O Torn? Torn yata
Or
eh.
like it.
Where's your ghost?
Ayan, hinahanap niya yung ghost.
Pero wala kasing ghost.
Oo.
Nako, naghagis ng grenade.
Teka na, telepathy
Where's your
grenade.
ghost?
Paano kung healing? Paano kung healing grenade yung tinapon mo?
Oo,
Nako.
kasi healer ako eh. Ay, solar ako ngayon eh.
Eh,
Na-heal pa sila.
Oo, kasi light na yung akin eh.
Oo, tapos na pala yun. Okay.
Nako.
Fake to boot.